Take me out, show you some kind of hot shots. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Canon 7D. Like you saw in the intro to this video, you know that I actually just got a new camera. What?
You didn't, huh? Did you just clap? Yeah, bro, that's right. I'm a buddy, bro. I didn't do it, yo. I didn't see you use your hands.
So, we're talking about this Canon EOS 7D. It came with a 15mm lens at 1.8. So, we're going to be shooting some pictures, people, nature, plants, other stuff, natural lighting, because you have to first understand your camera. So I'm actually coming to you in a beginner's view, like your view of how the whole camera works. So I think this series is just going to be based on me trying to mastermind or trying to get the best out of this camera. It's a crop sensor camera. It's not a full frame camera according to some know-it-alls. Like, okay, let me name my. It's not a full frame camera, but I will still be able to. Let's see how I'm going to get some pretty good pictures with this camera. And don't forget, this video is actually coming to you in the beginner's view, like your view. I'm not coming to you in a pro view, like pro point of view, like someone that has been in the photography game for 10 years, 7 years, 20 years, blah 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 blah. This is just a beginner's view, and I'm just trying to master my camera, and I want you to come along the journey with me. So let's go.
The house of blues is the
Okay, so we're going out now. Shoot.
Hi y'all. So we had to switch to voiceover because the noise outside was terrible. So this is the garden we're using for the shoot today, and this is our model, Jadi Sola. Okay, so at first I'm just going to be setting my cameras based on the natural lighting outside. So the first thing you need to do is to make your model or your client feel comfortable. That's by relating with them, asking them their names, and just bringing up little conversation so they feel comfortable while doing the shoot. So we're just setting camera at first, then Jadi Sola was giving me some poses according to her. Okay, so Jadi Sola, she's actually my friend and a student at the studio, so she knows the drill, she knows what's going on. So we're just playing around with the shoots. I'm gonna leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the montage. Then I'll be posting the pictures at the end of the video. Yeah. Period. So that's it, guys. See you guys next time.
I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I did. And I feel like I'm going to be recording my YouTube videos on this camera. I don't know yet, because I'm actually okay recording on my phone, but I feel like I'm going to be recording on this camera for a while. I post videos every week. Post video every week, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. I don't know. Tell your friends about me. Yeah, tell your friends about me. Okay? Okay. Bye. The Canon 7D nothing mark nothing actually.
Well